In this video, we're going to set up the Orqa FPV controller. First, we're going to attach the grips. Make sure to align the center of the grip sticker with the indentation on the side of the controller. Then, carefully attach the grip edges to the controller itself. Attach the lanyard hook to its place under the Orqa logo and screw it tightly. Next, tighten the gimbal sticks and screw them in to their corresponding places on the controller. You can also loosen the little black screw in the middle in order to set your preferred gimbal length, then screw it back to lock it in place. By loosening the screws in the middle diagonal bolt holes via hex key, you can adjust both gimbals to automatically return to their default position. Similarly, you can set the roughness and friction of the gimbals by adjusting the screws on the double diagonal bolt holes. Thanks for watching and fly safe.